Hey, welcome to Intervention Group with Mr. Gus. I'm actually gone today, you can tell, and I will be back tomorrow, Tuesday, to meet with you guys. So today you're going to be reading Allie and the Everything Sandwich. Allie is, her real name's actually Alexandra Swift, but they call her Allie, and she has a brother, Mac. Mac is the kind of kid that always is getting into trouble. So he's doing things that are unsafe, and Allie has to watch him for about an hour until Trisha's mom can come over and take care of him. So the title of the book is Allie and the Everything Sandwich. So looking at the title and looking at this cover page, can you predict what Allie is going to do to keep Mac busy from doing something dangerous? You got it. She's going to feed him. So I'm just going to flip ahead to page 2. So there is Allie sitting on the couch, and that's her mom. So Allie's dad has had an accident. So the mom has to go take him to the hospital. He actually hurt his foot. So Allie is left in charge of her brother Mac. So on page 4, it's kind of funny. Mom says, "Can I trust you?" Which is a very motherly thing to say. And Allie says, "Sure, it's only for an hour." Because mom set up one of her friends to actually come over and watch Mac, but she can't get there right away. So sometimes Allie gets herself into these kind of tough spots, and that's why the mom has a hard time trusting her with something this big because she knows Mac. So she has no choice. She has to leave Allie in charge. So she wants to keep Mac from doing something dangerous. So Mom leaves and she warns Allie to make smart choices, which is always a good parent thing to say. So on pages 8 and 9, there are here's the first smart choice that Allie makes. So Allie's not allowed to use the stove because Mac really wants fish sticks, but she can't turn on the stove because it's not safe. So she kind of talks him into making a special sandwich. And you know what kind of sandwich it is. So when you're looking at page 9, it mentions some of the things that he puts on his sandwich. Ham, pickles, mustard, cheese, ketchup, potato chips. That's not so bad. Banana slices, peanut butter, and jelly beans. Really is putting everything on that sandwich. What do you think of that sandwich? Now, you're going to read that Mac eats the everything sandwich and he drinks the everything punch, and that's lemonade, grape juice mixed with chocolate milk. And then Mac tries to climb an oak tree with a hammer and with boards, so you can see him in the window going up. And Allie knows that that's going to be trouble because Mac has kind of a tendency to get hurt when he's doing that kind of thing. So Allie's going to distract him with one more surprise, and that surprise is going to be, you got it, dessert. So he comes in and he gets to make an everything sundae. So you're going to find out what happens. So as you read, think about what Allie's really like as a person. Remember, when you're reading, take your time. There's no race. Do a good job reading. It's a good book. And then make sure that you take the time, especially in a book like this, which is kind of funny. Make sure that you take the time to look at the pictures. Okay, so you guys are going to, thanks for listening. You're going to read the book. So that's the second link. And you don't have to upload that to Notability because you're not going to write on it. Just open it and read it. And then when you're done reading it, you're going to show me that you understood it by going in and taking, it's just a 5-question quiz. So if you read the book, it's super easy. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy. Bye.